Today is day 16 and there's 10 days left until Christmas. Today I'm making cinnamon rolls with a cake batter frosting. First you're going to need 2 containers of crescent rolls. I'm going to take the first can of crescent rolls and roll it out and press them together so I have one sheet. So I put the first roll of crescent roll dough to the side and now I have the second can of crescent roll dough. I'm doing the same thing. I'm pressing it together so I have one piece. Next I have 5 tablespoons of softened butter. I'm going to spread the butter onto the crescent roll dough. Next I have some cinnamon sugar. I have 2/3 of a cup of sugar to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I mix that up all together to create the cinnamon sugar, and now I'm going to put the cinnamon sugar on top of the crescent roll dough. Next I'm going to put the other sheet of crescents on top and press it together. Next I'm going to cut the cinnamon rolls. I'm going to cut it into 6 strips. Next I have a greased muffin pan, and then I'm going to take a strip and roll it up to create that cinnamon roll shape and put it into the muffin pan, and then I'm going to bake these at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. Next I'm going to make the cake batter icing, so in my bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Next I'm going to add some cake batter extract and some milk, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cake batter extract and 1 tablespoon of milk. Next I'm just going to mix that up until everything is combined. Now that the cinnamon rolls have cooled down a little bit, I put the cake batter icing into a piping bag. I'm going to pipe some icing on top of each one and then put some festive sprinkles on top. Here's an up close look of the cinnamon rolls with the cake batter frosting.